Well, hello there. Buenos dias. It's good morning. I want to show you something quickly, which I've been noticing this in certain things, but I will want to show you this quickly before it has to be removed for a moment here. Take a look. The tile on the side of the wall, unfortunately. It just obviously happened, but you can see loose. Oh, look at that. This one's still good, but this one, I don't know if you can hear that on the camera right now, but it's loose. You can see it moving, and this one's good. So that one is loose, the second tile. That one unfortunately came off, and that other one is loose. Let me see, this one looks like it's still good. Oh, no. Loose. And that's literally outside my room. Unfortunately, it is loose, and I literally could have popped them off. So just wanted to show you that. Unfortunately, this is in the Alegance area. They really need to renovate these areas, but whatever. I wanted to make a note, and it's now caught on camera. Ciao for now.